Welcome. If you've ever wanted to forward a fun GIF from one Instagram chat to another while using Instagram on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made this process super simple, and today, I'll walk you through each step so you can share your favorite GIFs with just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. You'll find the familiar layout, and on the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the Messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane. This will open up your direct messages. Next, scroll through your conversations and open the chat where the GIF you want to forward is located. Take your time to find the right conversation. Maybe it's a hilarious reaction GIF, or a cute animation that you want to share with someone else. Once you're inside the chat, look for the GIF message you want to forward. You'll notice 3 small dots next to the GIF. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens up a menu with a few different options. From the menu, select the option that says Forward. Instagram will then prompt you to choose the recipients. You can select one person, multiple friends, or even a group chat. Just click on the names of the people you want to send the GIF to. After you've chosen your recipients, all that's left to do is click Send. And that's it. The GIF will instantly be forwarded to the people you selected, and they'll receive it just like any other message. With this new update, sharing GIFs on Instagram from your PC is easier than ever. Whether you're spreading some laughter or just want to brighten someone's day, you can now forward GIFs in just a few quick steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can master this new feature too. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.